Have you ever tried a dessert from ancient Rome?
Bingo.
Step 1. Removing pits from the dates. I don't know the right way to do it. If you know, let me know. But somewhere in my kitchen, I found this wooden teaspoon. And as you can see, somehow I'm pushing the pits out. Following Apicius recipe, I must combine pine nuts, walnuts, and a little bit of black pepper. What is a little bit? I don't know. It doesn't say anything about the ratio. So I figured my own ratio, and now mixing nuts and pepper all together to the final stage. Ended up having more homogeneous paste than I need, and sprinkling a little bit of sea salt, and starting now stuffing the dates with this paste, step by step, getting as much paste as possible in every date.
Last one is the best one.
Next step is to make the honey more liquid. For that, I take a pot, 2 full teaspoons of honey. I think it should be enough for the amount of dates that I have. It is a local farmer's market honey. Super sweet, natural. Mixing it up a little bit. Setting up proper temperature, low heat. Checking out. Way too cold. Perfect now, getting more liquid. Adding dates. Based on this ancient recipe, it takes 20 seconds to cook dates, evenly coating them with honey. I'm using tongs to flip them, and then I was thinking to myself, Sergi, what are you doing? Just mix them well with the pork and it's all gonna be good. I let them to cool down for 15-20 minutes, and what can I say? They are super sweet, slightly spicy because of the black pepper, rich, and if you value a taste of a natural fruit, you will enjoy it as I did, and I recommend it to you.